SWOT analysis is a powerful tool, but only if you use it well. In this video, we'll break down the most common pitfalls in applying SWOT and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Because strategy isn't just about what you analyze, it's about how you analyze it. The first big pitfall? Being too vague. Too many SWOT analyses are filled with generic phrases: good customer service, strong brand, competitive market. These statements are so broad they're almost meaningless. Instead, be specific. What exactly makes your customer service good? Is it a 24-hour support system? A 95% satisfaction rating? Specificity turns abstract strengths into actionable ones. Another common mistake is overloading the SWOT with too much information. A laundry list of items in each category might look impressive, but it makes decision-making harder. Remember, SWOT is about prioritization. Focus on the few items that are truly strategic, those that impact your goals, your customers, or your competitive edge. Aim for clarity, not completeness. A third pitfall is confusing internal and external factors. Strengths and weaknesses are internal, opportunities and threats are external. Mixing them up can distort your strategy. For example, market competition is a threat, not a weakness. Outdated processes are a weakness, not a threat. Use this rule: internal equals what you control, external equals what you respond to. Next, beware of confirmation bias. It's tempting to build a SWOT that reflects what you already believe, but a good SWOT should challenge assumptions, not reinforce them. Invite diverse perspectives, ask hard questions, look at the data, not just your gut. The goal is accuracy, not comfort. Another major misstep is not linking SWOT to action. Too often people stop at the grid. They fill out the 4 boxes and then move on. But the real value of SWOT comes when you ask, so what? What will we do with this insight? How does it affect our goals, roadmap, or resource allocation? Turn your analysis into strategy. A related mistake is treating SWOT as a one-time event. The business world moves fast. Your strengths shift, threats emerge, new opportunities surface. Use SWOT quarterly, or at least with every major initiative. Make it a living process, not a dusty slide deck. Also, don't ignore external validation. Internal teams often have blind spots. Talk to customers. Get feedback from partners or advisors. A fresh perspective can reveal a critical weakness or a hidden strength you might miss on your own. Another danger is misalignment across teams. If marketing, sales, and product all build strategies on different SWOT interpretations, you end up with confusion and conflict. Use SWOT sessions to create shared understanding. Align before you act. And finally, be cautious of SWOT fatigue. When it's used too often, or with no follow-up, teams tune out. Keep your SWOT sessions focused and meaningful. Set clear goals. Are we exploring a new market? Launching a product? Reviewing quarterly plans? Make sure the SWOT has a purpose. To avoid these pitfalls, treat SWOT as a conversation starter, not just a worksheet. It's a tool to surface insights, build alignment, and guide decisions. When done right, SWOT is clear, specific, actionable, and dynamic. And that's how it becomes not just analysis, but strategy in motion.